Nick's mom and dad had gone away, so Nick came to stay at Biff and Chip's house. Nick had a big food and his things, and he had a big box too. What in that box? What in that big box? asked Chip. "You'll see," said Nick. The children went to Biff's room. Nick opened the big box
Loudly.
and took out his computer. "Great," said Chip. "I've got some new computer game," said Nick. "But we can play with them later. I want to play with my robot." Nick had some robots in his bag. "These are great," said Kipper. "I'm going to get one like that. It's my favorite." Biff and Chip had a robot too. They went to get it. "We're going to have a great time," said Nick. William came to play. William came to play. He had one of his new toys. It was a spaceship. Biff, William, and Kipper played with all the toys. "I want to be a robot when I grow up," said Kipper. "You can't," said Biff. "People can't be robots." Chip and Nick played on the computer. One of Nick's new games was called Stone Castle. It's like ink string. "This game is cute, difficult," said Nick. "I'll show you, then you can play." "It looks great," said Chip.
The last page. Go ahead.
Everyone watched Nick. "You have to go through all the rooms," he said, "but there is a danger in every room. Look, the floor opened in the first room, but Nick did not fall through it." "That was good," said Chip.
Thank you.